If I'm a coalition, Haji me rendition. Okwankwo ni fa baro fenye mo condition. Baka Jesu kubia, baka onyenzo bota. My name is new man.
Welcome back. We are going to go through another update this morning, this afternoon, this evening, depending on time zone. As you can see here, we have Unice PP on our stream. She decided to make a post. Normally she always wants to attack anything that is good. Her trademark is not to support anything good. She always stands for evil. And this morning we are going to, touch her matter a little bit because I think it's worth doing because of her recent activities. When I told you that these people are from DOS, they did not join, PM, or they did not join different government today because they want to get Biafra or because they want to see things working. No, they are here for something that they have tried to do for years and they couldn't do that. Immediately PM was taken, they jumped into the whole thing and started supporting Nkere, which of course they have admitted that they are not here for anything Biafra. In the recent program that Nkere appeared on Hawaii, such as an ago, she made it clear there that she didn't come for PM. She is here for to support Nkere because Nigeria is not working according to her. That's what she said. But the truth is that she have already made her point that she's not here for anything Biafra or freedom. Do you understand? So anyway, she's not like us that that are not in anything leadership or promoting any particular person other than truth. So she said to take her time to support Nkere full time, whether good or bad. But when you check where she's coming from, she's a member of DOS and she's from Obedient. All of them, Unice, BP, and Helen Peters. Somehow, Helen Peters' own is not have not been verified. But the truth is that Nkere and Unice, these two people, it is very, very clear because we have the screenshot in the past, just last year and last 2 years. They devoted their time for P2B and of course DOS. Anyway, please like the video, subscribe to the channel as we move forward. I'm going to bring to you one by one. Just a moment. Make sure you like the video and support us in any way you can. Share it and let it get to many people so that people will know who are those behind the keyboard ranting and posting, commenting and trying to post, and a lot of nonsensical thing against Biafrans. As you can see here, she made this post trying to make mockery of herself by designing, or cartooning herself in a funny way. Even the write-up is funny, but this is not the reason why we are responding to that. It's not that of anger or anything. But for you to see the tension and the motive of people who claim they are trying to explain things or lead you. Imagine supporting what is the name of this P2P, they are obedient for years. Then when the going is getting tough on their side as a P2B is jumping from pillar to pole, they move back to DOS underground. From DOS now you are back again. You may not believe what I'm saying, but the next screenshot after this may actually throw more light on what I'm saying. Some of you have seen that in the past. The post of this lady or this woman in the past. Guess who brought her in Briggy? The lady that they called Nena, who lives in Canada, because this woman also is in Canada. It was made known to me that this woman is a very good friend of that Nena. Nena is a lady. Some of you have watched the video of a lady who in their cabinet meeting who said that PM is biased. When that said that PM, that's the way she put the word, but she was trying to downplay the post of PM or trying to. When PM told her that if you don't want you can leave, she said no, you are not the owner of the Biafra. That's the word. So she is the one that brought her in. Not only that she bring her in, this one is worshiping her. So anybody who don't have any plan or love for PM is the one trying to tell you now what to do to protect PM. Does it make sense to you? Imagine you saying that PM is getting it wrong. You did not even join PM when PM was here. Immediately PM was taken, then only you'll find your feet to support. That means something is fishing. Anyway, let's go through the post here. She said, news reaching our desks for the past 2 days since after the lawsuit against Honorable Fulani affirms that some of her whistleblower association cabinet members have taken their hill and they are taking the hill, and while they were running, their psychiatric witch mother was chasing after them with a syringe, but they ran away. The bad news for them is that they cannot run because they have been sued alongside their madam. Now, I can see the confidence that is shown from you people. Like, you guys are so proud, and the confidence is second to none. Little did I know that some of you actually don't know what you guys are saying, because it's a matter of time. Laugh now, laugh now. Let's see how the whole thing will be. Yeah, some of the people that you say they are running are those giving you information from cabinet. We know some of them. We do, yes. Now, even from outside, we know by their utterances, by their actions. I don't want to call names, but maybe it will get a time when we will begin to call names. We are not here to cite anything. If CS begin to misyan, we call her out, of course. Call her out in the sense that we want to correct her, not to abuse her. Just like when we started talking about Nkere, trying to set record straight, but the guy is desperate and has determined to do what he thinks that is best for him. So we will start politely, calmly. Then when you begin to go gaga, we start it. Imagine people like us watching things unfold for years, starting from March Canada to PM. We saw how the US manipulating everything, how they tried, struggled to stop PM, making some utterances that you guys are repeating now. Yeah, and you guys claim that you are suing Biafran CS and Biafran simply because to you, she stopped you from what you wanted to get and all that. Remember, we have been here before. PM, whom you claim to follow now, of course you don't follow him, was attacked. The same tactics that you guys are using now on CS. The only thing that is different now is because CS is a woman, not a man. So the feeling may not be the same. She may somehow, feel down about some of this nonsense you guys are doing. But I don't see her as one. But I'm saying a woman in general. Not everybody wired differently. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm not telling that she's moody, she's down. No, I don't talk to her. She don't know me. We only react on what is on social media. She has never for once spoke with me. Do you understand? So any of you trying to expect her to go down, I don't know CS to as an emotional person like that. Yes, she's emotional, but I don't know how as a weak person. That's the word. So I don't know how it's a weak person. So the lawsuit that she don't reply to you like you guys are committing nuisance on social media does not mean that she don't know what she's doing or that she's afraid. But let me remind all of you that if COS is not talking the way you guys expect her to talk on social media, or you claim that some cabinet members running away according to you, I don't have the news. I have not seen anybody that disappeared from cabinet simply because of the lawsuit. So, but what do you expect from liars? You were from obedient to DOS. Of course, anything you say is a lie. Anyway, that brings me to this. Just pay attention because we need to touch this based on this her post now. Let us remind you where she's coming from. Watch this. All right, here is her post as of the year November 1st, November 2023. And this post, she made this comment under a program that PM made at the same day, 1st November 2023. November, remember, 2023. Then PM said this, as of 2023, live Biafran Prime Minister State of Nation address. 1st 11/2023. That is 1st of November 2023. PM made this post telling Biafran that he is coming live to broadcast State of Nation, giving kind of information out for Biafrans to know where the whole thing is heading to. PM was giving Biafrans, giving everybody, both press, news platforms, journalists, and the rest of them, giving them updates. He do this oftentimes. The only people in this entire universe that disagree with the PM State of Nation address are two people. One, DOS members. Two, Ralph Wazirika. I could remember when PM started, State of Nation, the first person that criticized that is Ralph Wazirika. Then DOS, of course, everything that PM do is a sabotage, like to them is wrong. And guess where Unice is commenting from the camp of DOS back then, November 2023. So a year later, Biafrans decided to redeclare Biafra as a nation, not as an entity, not as an association, as a nation. They redeclared Biafra as a nation, not as an association. They are two different things. So I'm not going to dwell much on that. Now, after making this post that PM made, this woman said this here. Two captains cannot be in the same boat, because she made this post at the same time, the same day, everything is there. Meaning that PM is trying to be a captain when you have Mazam Namgan as a captain. That goes in line with the critics of Ralph Wazirika. Then, I'm saying this for those who don't know, for you to know. Then, within the interval of 1 year, because this is the one we can lay hands on, we don't know when she says to join. It could be that the whole year, because this post was made November, that's the year is coming to an end. The year of 2023, November. Then January 2024, PM announced that Biafra will be redeclared at the end of the year. And this woman, nobody who knows when she joined. Like I said, it could be that she joined 2 months, 1 month before redeclaration. Like for me, I started noticing her presence on social media at around November, September, thereabout, September, October. I think September, October, thereabout. But not all that vocal. Like she used to share, that kind of thing. She started with one leg. Now she's a bona fide member of Nkere, Fallback Republic. So are you surprised that she tried to side negative group? No, because she's not for negativity. She couldn't support PM. She did not stand for PM when PM was here. She realized that PM was right after PM had been taken. The same thing goes with Nkere, whom claimed that she not even in the midst of the whole thing now. She said, I have the clip with me here. I have played that on our live broadcast severally, but we continue to do that. I'm not going to bring it here. All right. She made it clear that she's not CPM and and come out. She did not because of PM, but she saw Nkere and came out. That's to tell you the kind of mindset and the kind of people they are. Anyway, like I said, I don't have intention to pick a fight or insult anybody. No. But if there's no better way to address this, there's no other better polite way to address it other than what I'm just doing now. Because unless you want me to deliver half information about the person, which I'm not a fan of that. Instead of me to do that, I will not talk about the person at all. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is how they roll, who they are. I want you to tell me what you think about it. Let us hear from your own side what you think about it. And I have another information that I want to share with you. I have another information. Just watch this.
Odogwu amadi ka eze dị Igbo niile ibe na-ekwe ya okpukpe mechara ebe ya ọga over 10 years ka na-achọ odogwu nne ya mechara
All right, let us move to another thing. Let us, quietly touchlight Elias before we end this program because he is the one bragging. Because I've seen some screenshot from him, even the one that he deleted that our brother Drake also managed to screenshot it and post it on his platform. I saw everything, but I'm not yet, going decided to touch that side. But let us start with his past activities. This is Elias' email to PM. Okay, August 14, 2024. And what he said here may interest you. Some of you have seen this. CS actually revealed this few months ago. Trying to warn PM. This is Elias warning PM about Vam, and we are going to go through that today. They are all honorable and comrade, isn't it? Now, dear Mr. Prime Minister, he says, I had begun to notice some strange things against your communication director, Mr. Raf Chiamaka Ajere, aka Pastor Van Van. Frankly, I had a weird feeling about him from the beginning. Prompted by my instinct, I did my due diligence research into him and unexpectedly came across a series of video, perhaps leaked private video, where he spoke of you disparagingly and insultingly. Here is a small sampling below of what I uncovered, which you can watch and listen to. I am happy to discuss this with you further, but I thought you should be aware of this. This is Elias, punching Van Van balloon in the past. And PM, of course, I believe you must have watched all those things. It could be something that we know, but there's another issue, there's another somehow leaked information about him. I believe Elias discovered that as well, where they talked about his activities with kind of BF and all that. So sure, that's the reason why I'm bringing this back so that you know those lawsuiters and what they intend, what they're known for. All right, I said to bring it to you. This update, I just want to bring your mind back to what happened in the past so that you can, understand what is playing out, so that you can know or predict what they intend to do. You can see where they're going. You may understand that these people are not for you, they don't mean anything good for you. The only thing they want is to deceive you and make you believe that they are for you when they are not for you. So the choice is yours. Like I said, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I want to know your own take on all we have discussed so far. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.